Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to automatically save passwords in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Under Autofill section, click on Passwords. Toggle the button next to Offer to save passwords. Enable Auto Sign-in to automatically sign in to websites using stored credentials. This is how you can automatically save passwords in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.